Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Kraken Tentacle bait. First, you need to find the correct deep sea fishing location, which is crucial for success. Next, ensure your fishing rod and any necessary lures are ready. Finally, understanding the best time and weather for fishing will significantly increase your chances of catching this elusive bait. To begin, navigate to the deep sea fishing zone. This area is typically found far from shore, often marked on your map. Keep an eye out for environmental indicators like swirling waters or unique marine life, which can signal the right spot. Reaching this specific location is your first major step towards acquiring the bait. Once you're in the correct zone, it's time to prepare your gear. You'll need a robust fishing rod, capable of handling large catches. Additionally, using a specialized lure or a strong, attractive bait is essential to entice the creatures that drop Kraken Tentacle bait. Always check your inventory for sufficient space before you start fishing. For the best results, consider fishing during optimal conditions. Some creatures are more active at night or during certain weather events like storms. While not always required, these conditions can boost your chances. Remember, patience is key. It might take a few tries to successfully acquire the Kraken Tentacle bait.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.